Hi, I'm Billi Maddox and I'm gonna mess this up so that you don't have to. I'm going to crop this shirt. It's a shacket, right? It's an overshirt, so it's kind of a very light jacket. As we're going into spring and summer, this will probably be one of my everydays, so I wanted to crop it to make it a little more Star Warsy, right at my belt line. Quick and easy way to do this is just kind of find where you want to do that and then just fold up that long corner. Hold it with your fingers and then, have a clip ready so that you can clip it, right? I'm gonna do it by hand and I'm gonna do a sort of back stitch so that it looks really, really clean, because I don't have a machine right now. So after pinning and clipping and all of that stuff, I've buttoned up my shirt and I've laid it down flat just to sort of check my work. This is what happened at the natural sort of bend of it. It kind of did this on its own. And that's sort of what you want because shirts are a little bit longer in the back than they are in the front. So that's looking about right. Now this is a basting stitch, right? Real loose, real easy. I just want to keep everything in place. Might even be able to take some clips off. Now look, I'm not very good at this, but to that point, don't be afraid of tackling this kind of stuff. You know what I mean? I'm not the best dancer, and that has never stopped me from shaking my ass. Wait. So try sewing. Okay, I'm gonna try to do my best to explain this next stitch to you. So I've got my needle threaded, I've got a knot on the back. So I'm gonna start right here, right? So I'm gonna move up just a little bit because I'm gonna do a back stitch. Pull your needle from the back all the way. And then what you're trying to do is where you put that first stitch in, you're gonna try to split the uprights, more or less. So I'm gonna go right in there. You'll see that I have a loop, and there we go, right? Then I'm gonna go back and try to you don't have to put it in the same hole, but very close to it. You see that? You're getting that? So you see I'm sort of going backwards to go forwards. So I'm going just ahead of that last stitch, plunging my needle and bringing it back up so that where I came out from is right in the middle. Okay, so I hate it. I hate it because I think the thread is a bit too light. So I think I'm actually gonna undo all of this and just do it in black. And hopefully that'll be a little bit better. Okay, so I changed up a few things. I went to a black thread, which I think is working better. Again, it wobbles, but in the grand scheme of things, if you zoom out, you're not only never really gonna notice it, but it's just gonna look straight anyway. Anyway, that's me.